Hey everybody, so I needed a new camcorder bag. This thing barely fits my stuff, and I also have to carry my laptop separately, which is kind of annoying. So Paul recommended I check out a bag that he got, but it didn't actually fit. So I got this thing. And the unfortunate part of how B&H is set up is that this bag, that's now my camcorder bag, is right next to all of this. Oh dear God. Oh no. Please, no. No. Must run away. So I actually did bring payment methods this time. This is my customer receipt here for my payment ticket, but I have not paid yet. I do need to go over there and pay for my stuff. But look at all the... Oh, I want it! Because the camcorder that's in here, it's an APS-C sensor. It's not that bad, but the problem with this camcorder is the internal recording is something... A, it can't go over 1080p 60, no 4K. But B, the internal recording of it, if I want to use internal, is something like 18 megabit per second, and it's baseline. It's not even some high-end codec. It's like baseline AVC HD, lowest profile junk kind of thing. So I've been thinking, wouldn't it be nice to have something that can do 4K 60? Wouldn't it be nice to have something where I could actually use the internal file? I never use the internal file on this camcorder because it's, you know, it's so beyond compressed, it's useless, even though the HDMI out is amazing. And I said it. I want it. There's so much cool stuff here. Let's see. 35, that's a large sensor. So I was looking at the Canon XF400, but the Canon XF400 has a smaller sensor than mine. So even if it's higher resolution, it's a downgrade in some way. Because I think the APS-C sensor on the NEX EA50 is a bigger sensor, and the more bigger is the more better, I imagine. That's what I learned from watching. That's what I learned from watching AVE. See that? That's cool. That's just cool. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Okay, how does... Wow, that's smooth. Oh, this is a servo. Okay, let's take it off servo and manual mode. Manual mode. That is smooth. Look at that. You see up there? 4K, 60 frames a second, and it can do XAVC codec. Large sensor, 35 size CMOS sensor, so that's a better sensor than the one I have now. I could use lower ISO. So you'd be able to see the lobbyist lying with slightly less grain. I don't know what 90% of these buttons even do, but they look cool. Like you have the zoom, but then you have this. You can set F manually on the lens. I think on mine you don't set the f-stop or any of that stuff on the lens. You set it on a little button. And then it has this thing over here. I don't even know what that knob is for. There's so many of them though. It has optical steady shot, so you know, if I want to skateboard while watching the lobbyist lie, I could do that, I suppose. But wait, there's more. Wow. It's got a proper thing in there. That's a nice screen they got there. 422 10-bit output, just like mine, except that's 4K, not 1080p. It's got the XLRs in it, so that I don't have to use an external recorder, which is great. Because when I go to these hearings, they typically have XLR panels on the walls, so I can switch between line and mic. I think I mentioned that before, is that some of these hearings have line out, some of them have mic out. So it's really important to have a camera with me that can kind of accept all these different things. And it's nice to not have to carry a separate audio recorder, because typically I get in the room, I get like 20 seconds to get set up before the hearing starts. I need to be on that shit immediately. I don't have time to be fucking with 2 or 3 different systems. Wow. Okay, I was talking about the XF400. This is the XF705. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, the focus. F-stop, focus. Which one is zooming? That's not zooming. That's not zooming. That's not zooming. Where's zoom? Ah, that's zoom. Yeah, zooming is, I don't know how you change speed on it. It's kind of slow.
shoot the TV, you'll get a kick out of it.
Ah. Let's see.
And get the feed.
Let's take a look. Hey, who's this prick? Who's this prick? You know you have to pay to use that likeness. Let's make a deal. You can show my videos in the store if I can get that 4K 60 camcorder.
Yeah.
Influencer? No.
It's hard to influence.
Doesn't work.
Very hard.
All right, you have a good day, man. Thank you. Yeah, I like what he said. It's hard to influence B&H. So much stuff here. I gotta get out of here because I'm gonna miss my bus to Albany. I gotta get food, gotta buy this, and get my bus. I'm gonna do it though. Because Paul said I can't do it. He said I cheated. He said I cheated by pre-ordering and by not bringing a payment method. Hello. But I'm gonna do it.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, but yeah, exactly. So people used to tell me, give me a second. You're paying with card, eh?
Yeah.
They modifying your item right now. I don't know.
Card, sir? Card.
Yeah, I will have to, I'm gonna make a phone call. Steven was the one that did the ticket for you, made the ticket. Okay, so I'm gonna call.
She said she has to call the person that did my sale. But the problem is I need to get out of here before I buy something.
Please proceed to cashier 21.
Nobody's answering. Steven's not answering. When he's saying the order.
Then go to or store to pick up, right? No problem. Have a good one.
I don't want to miss my bus.
Next.
Please proceed to cashier 15.
Anybody paying with card? Anybody paying with card? Thanks. Thank you. Yes, sir. Card. How's it going today?
Only on certain items, so I don't know why.
Right there.
Please proceed to cashier 21. Please proceed to cashier 15.
This one is not so bad. This one is Is it put STU or I put right? I think STU is
STU is for student discount, right? That's right. And which one is it?
I'll use this one.
Please proceed to cashier 15.
117. Your Mama doll.
I'm gonna miss my bus if I wait here.
Here you go, sir. Would you like a bag?
So they're working on it right now. Somebody's in your order. Well, he's
Yes,
in your order. He's not answering his phone. And yeah, well, we're working on it.
Oh, yeah. My bus leaves in about 8 minutes. So
Yeah.
Please proceed to
Yeah, he's still, I don't know.
20.
I'll come back later because I'm about to miss my bus. I'm sorry. Yeah. I'll see. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, you good? Yep, yep.
Yeah, all right. I don't know what was going on there. I bought something. I went to pay for it. It took 5 minutes of her talking on the phone to say they're working on it. It's like, what are you working on? Take my money. Take my money. Either way, I am actually very close to missing my bus. I probably shouldn't have stopped here. I thought I'd come in quick, grab a bag, make my life a little easier. I just don't have the time for a... Today is not the day for dealing with a Karen. I'm sure they're nice people, but I just can't do it today, you know? I just wanted to... This type of shit is really why companies like Amazon are kicking ass. I found the bag. I thought it was a good bag because the guy said, okay, wait 1 second, I'll prepare your order. So I figured I'd look at some camcorders while I'm waiting. I look at camcorders for 4 or 5 minutes. I show up and you're not even prepared to take my money. Like, what? Take my money. Oh well. It is what it is.